The Z Fold 6 might not look like much of an upgrade from a distance. This is the Z Fold 5. Daniel here from SamMobile TV. In this video, we are going to show you 5 reasons you should upgrade to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Samsung just took the wraps off their entire lineup for second half of 2024. Z Fold 6 was one of them. So let's go through the 5 reasons why we think you should buy one. First one is that Samsung brought in a new fresh design. A lot of people are saying it's not much different from the Z Fold 5, which I can tell you is an incorrect statement, having held both of them side by side. The new design of the Z Fold 6 has this nice squared off approach. The flat sides and the more sharper corners give it this real industrial look and feel that reminds me of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And I really like this sharp design and how it sort of looks. And the Z Fold 6 reminds me of that. This new design in the hand feels incredible. Samsung have managed to make it more premium, and definitely the flatter sides add into that. When it's closed too, the gap is pretty much non-existent now. So you definitely notice it. And of course, it's a lot thinner compared to the Z Fold 5. You can see the hinge in particular. Samsung have rearranged a lot of different components, including display layers, to make the device thinner both when open and when it's closed. Number 2, Samsung have reduced the weight. The Z Fold 5 already reduced weight from the Z Fold 4, and we're definitely a long way off from where we started. But the Z Fold 6 has brought the weight down to an incredible 239 grams, without sacrificing the battery capacity that they've had previously, or any of the cameras that have been on the Z Fold 5 or the Z Fold 4. A lot of you might look at that and think, well, we want camera upgrades, but Samsung can do a lot in processing, and when we get our Z Fold 6 unit in, you'll see what I mean. Back to the weight. The weight of the Z Fold 6 is only a fraction heavier than Samsung's flagship Ultra phone, the S24 Ultra. And for a phone that folds in half, and you can put in your pocket comfortably and carry around with you, and then open it up into a mini tablet when you need it, that weight will be incredible to use long term, because you're not going to be carrying around something heavy, and it's still going to offer you a lot of multitasking and productivity and entertainment capabilities. Number 3 is a new cover screen. Part of the redesign is Samsung made the phone a little bit shorter and ever so slightly wider. The cover display is now 6.3 inches versus 6.2. A lot of people look at that number on paper and don't think much about it. But because of the fact that the aspect ratio got changed along with it, you're getting more room width-wise on the cover display than what you've had previously. Samsung only had to add 1 millimeter of width in order to achieve this. It's 68.1 millimeters versus 67.1 on the Fold 5. This extra bit of room will make typing on that cover display a lot more natural, and also allow you to interact with the phone more akin to a normal smartphone. So props to Samsung for achieving that. I'm glad they didn't go too much wider. I think they've kind of hit a sweet spot here, and hopefully they maintain this and just improve on the other parts of the phone in years to come. The inner display is the same size as previously, 7.6 inches. But again, thanks to that change in aspect ratio on the front, you have a new kind of shape on the inside as well. I think this will probably lend itself really nicely for multitasking a lot better, as well as the S Pen functions that we're going to talk about in a moment. Number 4, Samsung have now added in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy. This new processor, which we have seen do amazing work on the Galaxy S24 series, is going to bring that same level of performance and efficiency to the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Not only that, the image processing that we've seen from the S24 Ultra and all of the camera capabilities that go along with it, things like dual recording where you can record in 4K from 2 different cameras at the same time, things like the ability to zoom whilst using portrait video, all of that gets brought in thanks to this new Snapdragon processor. Samsung have also increased the cooling capabilities with the new vapor chamber. It's in the Fold 6, it's bigger than it was before. And of course, the same 4,400 mAh battery, which means that with the efficiency of the new chip, you should definitely get some improved battery life out of it as well. And number 5, and this might not necessarily be a Z Fold 6 thing to think about, more of a Samsung thing in general, but it's the new Galaxy AI features. Of course, this is going to be launching on the Fold. This will eventually probably roll back to the existing Galaxy AI devices, but for now, it's exclusive to the Fold 6 and the Flip 6 as well. These new Galaxy AI functions are heavily revolved around the S Pen. Samsung have brought in sketch to image, and they've enabled it in a multitude of different apps. So that's in Samsung Notes, they've enabled it in the gallery with generative edit, And they've also enabled it just on its own as its own app. It's very, very powerful. You literally draw something and the AI will recognize the object and turn it into something. In generative edit, that means it'll actually turn it into a real picture. In sketch to image in its own app, that means it'll try and recreate it in a style of painting that you've asked for. The results are pretty incredible. You can see for yourself. Now, I know that some of these functions, in particular the Galaxy AI, will likely roll back to the Fold 5 in time. That doesn't mean that there's not other upgrades to consider with the Z Fold 6. The other Z Fold 6 upgrades that I've spoken about, the design being the main one, is definitely something to look at. That's not even mentioning things like the display. Samsung have boosted the brightness to 2600 nits peak brightness in the right conditions, which on a foldable is just an incredible thing to achieve. So I'm very, very excited to see the direction that Samsung take from here on. But the Fold 6 with its drastic reduction in weight, its new design language with its flatter sides and more squared off corners, are definitely something that I appreciate the look of. And it's more cohesive too. Samsung have changed other products to kind of line up with these sharp corners. Things like the Buds 3 Pro, things like the Galaxy Watch Ultra, they all kind of are brought in line with this design language for 2024. We're here for it. If you want to grab a Z Fold 6, use the link in the description to pick up one for yourself. Make sure you hit subscribe for SamMobile TV. I'll see you next time. Thanks.